OK. Yep. And now, back to where we were. So it's great to see these kind of results from Facebook taking advantage of features like this. But it's not just Facebook. Here's a stat from Beyond the Rec, which is an online shopping company. They released web push on their site, and they saw a 50% increase in repeat visitors within 3 months. So this just goes to show how impactful this can be. So this is all pretty awesome, right? But how does any of it work? So in that demo, you notice that Chrome wasn't running, the site wasn't open, and yet somehow it was able to run some JavaScript, download some resources, and show a notification. Like, how is any of that even possible, given what we have today? And the answer? Magic. OK, so maybe it's not magic. But I think the theme of this summit is that whenever you see something and you think, how could this possibly work? Like, I just don't understand. The answer is almost always service worker. So it turns out that service worker is this amazingly powerful new primitive. But when we normally think about service worker, we think of something like this. It's a kind of small JavaScript file that we can keep on the user's device. And then when a network request is made to our origin, an event is fired into it that we can grab, and we can generate our own response and send it back down to the page. Like, how does that help with push notifications? The answer is that we can actually flip this diagram around. And if we flip this diagram around, we can imagine a flow in which our web server sends a request to a push service. In Chrome's case, this is Google Cloud Messaging, which keeps a persistent connection open with the device. Now, with that persistent connection, it can say, hey, device, go and wake up this service worker. So Chrome starts running. It starts the JavaScript context, and it fires a push